Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my basement workshop. Today, I am going to be helping Roger from Roger's World of Adventures step out of his comfort zone and plant pea shoots using peas from his pantry. Roger, are you ready to get started?
Yeah, I'll have a go at it. The first time doing that in my life. So I've never been into gardening, but I suppose there is always, it's a start, isn't it?
It is. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, I've shown this on the channel a couple times. I'm going to walk Roger through the process of setting up pea shoots. I started these pea shoots last week. We're going to start some for Roger, and then next week we're going to check in with him and see how his pea shoots are doing. All right, so Roger, you got your foil pan. The first thing you want to do is put in about an inch of soil.
Right, okay, so I'll have to get something to open it. Hang on, let's have a look here. Oh, hang on, I can open this.
Can you just poke your thumb through?
Yeah, I'll have to get some scissors for that, won't I? Yeah. I think I might have to cut it like that and put some. I'll get some scissors. Yeah, give me a minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. I've got this thing. I can do that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this at 20 to 9 in the UK. Right, okay, so I got that. So I want to put about half of that. Okay, let's have a look.
Yep.
So how do we like that? Yeah.
Yep, just pour it in.
Interesting. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell, fire. Don't go on the floor.
I love this. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be like a rough.
No, I think we need a bit more. I need a bit more than that, I think, because. Yeah. Okay. Behave yourself. Okay, that's probably enough now.
Okay.
So I'll put that back in the corner over there. 1 minute.
Okay.
I have to vacuum that bit. I'll have to vacuum that bit so the cat, so it's, okay.
That's why I do all of mine in the basement.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll have to take a...
Let's see your pan.
Eh?
Hold up the pan.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So that's...
Okay, that's good. Now just pour some peas on top.
Yeah, just some of them.
Just some.
Yeah, just like that.
And spread them out. But probably no more than a couple ounces.
I don't know. That's something like that.
More. A little bit more. Yep.
A bit more. Okay.
So there's probably like no more than a 1/4 inch in between all the peas.
Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah.
A little bit higher. Okay, more peas.
Oh, more peas. Okay. I have to take a picture of that with my mobile so I can do a video. Could do a video on that. Couldn't wait.
Yeah.
But do a video on your channel.
This is going to be the video on my channel.
Pardon?
This is the video on my channel.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Nope, we're doing this right now. I'm very much just fly by the seat of my pants kind of person when it comes to this.
Oh, that's good. That then you can put it in a group after that. That would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. I tell my dad that he won't believe me. Yeah.
Let's see.
Hang on. Okay. Let's have a look. Hang on. Here we are.
Good. Okay. Now, all you have to do after that is pour some water on it. Not a lot because you're not putting holes in the bottom. Just enough to wet the soil.
Okay. So, okay. And it's cold water, obviously.
Yes. Cold water.
Right. Okay. So I'm going to get a jug for it. So if you give me a minute.
Okay.
So, okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I can use this glass. If I use a glass like that, about this size, would that be okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so while he's gone, I'm just going to like really briefly mention why we're growing pea shoots using peas from your pantry. Because they're easy and they don't have a high light requirement. So you can grow them just using the lights in your house. If you don't have a sunny window, they are nutritious and delicious, and you will usually get a good 2 to 3 cuttings from the peas, even if you're not doing anything special with them. So this is something that anybody can do using a couple of basic things. You don't have to worry about getting to a garden center or anything like that. All you need is a little bit of decent soil, and you can have a fresh vegetable grown in your house with very little effort. You just have to water them and leave them. So that's why pea shoots are a great way to start if you've never grown anything before. Pea shoots are simple and delicious. You can cut the tops off and add them to soups, salads, sandwiches, and they taste like peas. Like they taste like the peas that you would have cooked, but you get more of them and you get something fresh. So that's the whole idea. So these are actually ready to cut right now. If I wanted to start harvesting them, what I would do is use my kitchen scissors and just cut the top couple inches off. You don't take the peas out of the dirt. You just cut the tops off, add them to whatever you're cooking, and they're delicious. Okay,
I've got this glass with water in it now.
Okay, not all of that water. That's too much. So just pour about half of it.
About half of it?
About half, and just...
Okay, I better empty it there because otherwise I might put too much in here.
Okay. Pea shoots are something that you can grow very easily. You don't have to think about it a whole lot. It doesn't require a ton of preparation. I kind of just sprung this on him, so we're just learning as we go. And once he's grown some pea shoots and eaten them, then we will turn Roger into a master gardener. Well, I actually don't know about master gardener because I'm not a master gardener, and I've been at this.
Okay, I've got this now. I've got this content gone.
Yep. Yeah. Perfect.
Exactly. So I'll just...
Yep.
Okay, right. I might need a little bit more, maybe.
Nope, that's fine.
Okay, that's fine.
Too much water in there. Just now, put them in a place where they're going to get either sun.
Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, but I don't know if I've covered everything or not.
You don't have to cover it. You just need the soil to be moist.
I see. Okay.
Spread out across the soil. You don't need to soak the peas. Just have the soil be moist. And then after that, just set them somewhere in a sunny window or... Oh. And that's okay.
Right. Okay. What shall I put in?
Fine. I have where I grew mine. They're just on the top shelf, and there's a light bulb in the room. Like there's nothing special. Just like light bulb overhead. They're on a shelf. That's enough light. They don't need a lot of light. That's
so what I can do. I just put that on top of the shelves in the kitchen.
Yep.
And do I need to leave the light on all night?
No.
No.
Just they need probably a good 12 hours of light a day. So just during the day, leave the lights on. When you go to bed, turn the lights off. All
right. So I'm going to be on top, like in the kitchen now, on top of the shelf, so the cat won't jump on it, and then because otherwise she might.
I understand the struggle, and then that's all you have to do. And then next week we will check in on your peas.
Oh, wow, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I'll definitely take a picture of that with my mobile, and then tomorrow morning before I put the light on, yeah, and then that's interesting, and it should grow.
Yes.